Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve when we have to given 36 power 50 and 48 power 25. So what is the simplest form of this? How can we reduce this? So we have one property of exponent. Suppose x power a and x power a. So we can simply write the exponent once, and if there is a multiplication sign in between, we can add the power. So we are going to adapt this in this question. So 36 power 50, I can write it as 36 power 25 times 36 power 25. So when we add, we can write it as 36 power 25 plus 25, that is 50, over 48 power 25. Now I can write it as 36 times 36 whole power is 25. Over 48 whole power 25. Now, both the numerator and denominator have same power. So I can write it as 36 times 36 over 48 whole power is 25. We can break 36 as 12 times 3 and also 4 times 9, and 48 as 12 times 4, and the whole power is 25. Now we can eliminate the 4 by 4 and 12 by 12. So what is left? 3 times 9 whole power is 25. That is 27 whole power is 25. That's how you can do this and convert it into simplest form. I hope you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.